Hello, and welcome back to the AI Free Forever YouTube channel. Today, we're exploring the Rizz AI Assistant, a free, AI-powered tool designed to help you improve conversations, create better dating profiles, generate pickup lines, and get smart reply suggestions in seconds. Whether you're using Tinder, Bumble, Hinge, Instagram, Snapchat, or simply looking to improve your social confidence, this tool can help you come up with creative ideas whenever you're not sure what to say next. Instead of spending hours thinking about the perfect opener or reply, you can let AI generate suggestions instantly. Let's see how it works. We are starting from the Rizz AI Assistant page on AI Free Forever. The interface is clean and easy to use. Right at the top, you'll notice example prompts such as "Give me 5 Rizz lines that actually work," and "Help me start a conversation on Tinder." Below that, you'll find several useful tools including Upload Chat, Create Bio, Next Reply, Rizz Lines, Bio Upgrader, Dating Tips, and Openers. Each feature is designed for a specific purpose. Let's begin with Rizz Lines. We click Rizz Lines and enter. If you're not getting a response, don't worry. Open Google Chrome and press Ctrl+Shift+N to open an incognito window. Next, browse to the website link. Once the website opens, enter your prompt. For example, "Give me 5 Rizz lines that actually work," or "Help me start a conversation on Tinder." Then press enter and wait for the response. Within seconds, the AI generates multiple pickup lines that feel natural, creative, and easy to personalize. Some are humorous, some are flirty, and some are designed to keep the conversation light and fun. Now, let's test Next Reply. We enter a sample message. "I had a great time talking to you today." The AI generates several possible responses that keep the conversation moving naturally. This is useful when you want to maintain momentum and avoid awkward pauses. These suggestions are simple but effective for building better conversations. One thing I like about this tool is that it offers multiple ways to improve communication instead of focusing on just one area. Whether you need a conversation starter, a better profile bio, a clever reply, dating advice, or help responding to messages, everything is available in one place. A couple of things are worth keeping in mind. AI-generated suggestions work best when you personalize them. The goal isn't to copy and paste every response. Instead, use the ideas as inspiration and adapt them to your own personality. Also remember that humor, flirting, and conversation styles vary from person to person, so experimenting with different suggestions often produces the best results. And that's really the value of this tool. Instead of staring at your screen wondering what to say next, you can generate ideas instantly, improve your profile, and communicate more confidently. So that's the complete workflow. Visit AIFreeForever.com, open the Rizz AI Assistant, choose a feature such as Rizz Lines, Openers, Create Bio, Upload Chat, Bio Upgrader, Next Reply, or Dating Tips, enter your request, and let the AI generate suggestions within seconds. While you're exploring the platform, be sure to check out the other AI tools available as well. You'll find AI chatbots, image generators, writing assistants, voice tools, and many additional resources designed to help with everyday tasks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future AI tool tutorials and walkthroughs. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.